HAZEL'S Diary. Guys, thank you so much for all your unending support to my channel, for watching my videos, and of course for subscribing to my channel. In this video guys, I will show you how to make a fresh alamang bagoong with coconut milk, and it's gonna be sweet and spicy. So let's start guys. Okay, now let's check guys, how is? Now it's ready. There is no more sauce, you see, it's just perfect, how to say, perfect sauce for the alamang. Very nice color, and you can see guys all the chilies. Wow, it's gonna be spicy. So now let's taste guys. Very good guys. Very good. perfect for Indian mango, and of course for kare-kare, and of course also for the pinakbet. And I hope guys that you should really try this at home. Okay guys, so my own version of alamang is very successful, I can assure you guys. The sweetness is just right, and also the spiciness and the saltiness. And of course, you can feel also the coconut milk. And I hope guys that you try this at home because it is much better than the one you can buy in the supermarket. And as you can see guys, I didn't use salt because the alamang itself was already salty, and I just rinse a bit just to lessen the saltiness. And of course guys, alamang is perfect for the green mango, and so I will buy later mango and we will enjoy eating it with the fresh alamang bagoong. And I hope you like this guys, and don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Keep safe everyone. Bye!